Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Kevin's Live here in Dunbrody House, Wexford, Ireland. And it's fantastic to be here. And of course, it's Easter week, so we're going to do some Easter recipes for you. So we're doing a beautiful chocolate Easter egg brownie today. The first thing you need to do, this is a super easy recipe, and that's what's great about it. The first thing you need to do is you need to get a pot, put some water in the bottom of it, and put dark chocolate. So we're using 72%, minimum 72% chocolate, so nice dark chocolate. Now you're just going to add your butter to the chocolate, and you're going to let that melt down together. In our mixing bowl, we're going to put in 2 eggs. So brown sugar, get that going there. We've got our muffin tin, and we're just going to get, what do they call these, muffin cases.
Muffin plater? Could you
Very patriotic there, Julian, aren't you?
Oh yes, yeah.
No?
I didn't think of it.
Okay, you can see there the butter and the chocolate is kind of melting together there. Some people would use half vegetable oil and half butter. Basically what the butter does, well, butter will actually give you a lovely rich flavour. That's nice and hot. With a nice rich flavour. Okay, so to that, we're going to add our chocolate to it. So I'm just going to lift that up. Actually, we're going to get this, Julian, now. How's your camera work?
Yeah,
Good?
it's okay.
Yeah.
I hope.
Okay, add that mixture in. I'm going to use that. Okay, so you can see there. And then with the bowl, just make sure you get all the chocolate out of it, so don't waste any.
I was about to ask, what do you do with the rest?
Oh, it goes into the bowl there, Julian. Okay, so you see that? So just mix together. Then we get our flour, put into a sieve, and just put that in. It's just adding some air into the mixture, and to make sure that there's no foreign bodies or anything in the flour, so it's nice and clean. You can see there you got a lovely chocolate mixture. Okay, 3/4 of the way up the paper. Okay, and then we've got some mini eggs. Cut them down the center, drop one in the middle. Okay, that's going into the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, 25 minutes?
12 minutes is one.
12 minutes, sorry. I got that
Depending
completely wrong.
how
Completely
you want them
wrong.
cooked, yeah.
And then you have beautiful chocolate brownie Easter cake muffins. There you go. Still tastes delicious. I'll go now so I can clean up.